It is not easy to find a job that pays well. If you're thinking of starting a side hustle, you can get paid by doing simple tasks online. If you're looking to make extra money right now, this is the perfect opportunity for you. This video will show you how to earn some money just doing so simple tasks. But before we start, let me ask you a question. How would be your life if you earn $1,000 or more each and every day? Just imagine. Achieve your financial freedom, leave your 9-to-5 job, travel the world, own a luxury house, your dream car, obtain the peace of mind and fulfill your family's wishes. All the luxuries of life. Finally, you can live your dream lifestyle. I am sharing below in the description a very special and exclusive method to make more than $1,000 each and every day. Also, I am sharing other amazing apps to make some money instantly, and I am always updating them. So, make sure you don't miss out on that, and make sure you check the links below. I know you're trying to make money online and I want to help you out. So, make sure to watch till the end, remember to subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. I am always updating on new money-making hacks for free. Now, let's jump to the video. Many people make money online with simple tasks. In fact, many of them said that they have been able to make enough to quit their day jobs and work on their own terms. Simple tasks like surveys, quizzes, and social media posts can be done by anyone with basic knowledge of writing. I want you to go to paidera.com. Paidera is a platform containing different methods and ways to make money online, so easy for people from around the world, and it is very easy to use. You can sign up to Paidera simply by clicking Create an Account button and filling out your information such as name, email, username, and password. Then you are able to log into your dashboard to make your first revenue doing multiple tasks. They are offering worldwide surveys, paid quizzes, multiple tasks channels, writing posts, promoting videos, referring friends, and much more. You can make money with many methods which are available in Paidera, such as taking surveys. Taking surveys is an easy way to help advertisers achieve their goals of collecting anonymous data about their products and services, and making the right move towards success. Download apps. Do you have an Android or iOS smartphone? You can make money just by downloading apps to your phone. Doing tasks. There is a huge number of tasks are ready for you to complete and make money from them, wherever you're living or the language you speak. Inviting friends. Turn your social friend circle into money-generating assets and make money while you're away from your computer. Uploading videos. You can make money by creating a short video on specific topics for advertisers. Write short posts. Writing a promotional post is an easy passive way to make money without spending more time on hard and complicated things. And many more. You will find out more in your dashboard and pick the right method for you. Paidera is an easy-to-use platform for people willing to make money online without investment and from scratch, no website, no previous experience, and no money. What you need is only a few hours per day to earn money using this simple site. They are providing multiple money-making options in one place available for worldwide members. No matter what is your country or your language, you can start today and make money forever. You can get paid using PayPal. They don't have any payment cycle. You can request your payment as soon as you reached your threshold, which you can choose by yourself from your payment settings section. Now, ready to take the next step to have your dream lifestyle? Make sure to check the links in the description below to know how to make more than $1,000 each and every day, and the other apps to make money instantly. In the end, if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.